Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to s to the power of 4 plus 2. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of s to the power of 4. We have 4s to the power of 3 ds. Because we don't have number 4, so we need to divide both sides by number 4 in here. So this one we change by u. S to the power of 3 ds we change by this one. The integration of cosine u, we have sine u, and we put about c. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.